Hi everyone, automation of SJ EMR. We have used ChatGPT to pass the test data, whereas previously we used to write data in Excel and then read that data and pass through it. And it was a long process where we had to configure the Excel with the data provider and then pass the data provider, pass the argument, etc. So using ChatGPT, I have written a reusable method in the action class, and that method I have called here. And as you can see here, the data is being generated using ChatGPT. So action is the class and generate test name is the method name. And here I'm sending the prompt, and this is the number of digits or alphabet it would generate. So I have used the same method and I've just changed the prompt and the number of digit or text it should generate. And the same method I have just reused multiple times, and the code is very simple and very easy to understand. I've just called that method and it works fine. I'll show the implementation of one of them. So now there are 28 fields in total. So if I pass data 28 times, then I have to read 28 times from the Excel, 28 times login, etc. So now using the API, it reads the data and it just enters the data. Like job description, it entered the data which it got from ChatGPT. It would click on update and it is saved. And I'll just close it. And this is the test data which is generated from ChatGPT. Thank you.